Here's how you can make an Easter egg for Easter, or an egg shape for really anything you want to draw. Start with a perfect circle. I'm using a monoline brush and I'm going to use black. Make a perfect circle, just draw the circle shape and don't let go at the end until it becomes around the ellipse, and then tap the screen with a finger and it becomes a perfect circle. Next, you're going to go to the arrow tool up top, and on the bottom you want to make sure you have warp turned on. I'm going to shrink my screen. Now with warp turned on, you can pull out the corners and the top and make an egg shape. You can make it any size you want, any kind of dimension you want. Once you're done, tap the paintbrush. And I'm going to fill this whole thing in black. So I'm going to take the black and drop fill it. And now I'm going to make another layer. On this layer, I'm going to draw the design that's going to go into the egg. And I'm going to go outside the egg because we're going to apply a clipping mask to this, which will clean the whole thing up. So don't worry about being neat. I'm just going to draw the shape, drop fill it. And of course, this can be as detailed, as colorful as you want. When you're done, go to the layers menu, tap the thumbnail of that design pattern and select clipping mask, and you'll see it just clips right to the shape underneath. And you have that perfect egg shape with the design in it. Now if you want to go one step further, kind of give it a little 3D feel, make a new layer, get a light gray shade, one that'll be noticeable though. Down one side, make a crescent shape, not too big. Do the same thing a little bit on the opposite side. I'm going to get almost white, put a touch of it on the opposite side. Now I'm going to just Gaussian blur that whole layer. Almost to the point where you can barely see it. And then go back to the layers, also clipping mask that layer. Then you have kind of a slight shadow there. You can make that layer a little less transparent by tapping the N on the layer and dragging down the opacity. Just gives you a little slight feel of a shadow. You can make it as dark or as light as you want. But that's how you can make a simple Easter egg using the warp tool and clipping mask. Hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you next time.